In this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how to parse data from airline tickets using PDF.co document parser. We will use this sample ticket for this tutorial. Let's begin by logging into your PDF.co account. Click the Document Parser menu at the top of your PDF.co dashboard. On your Document Parser page, click the New Template. Then load the PDF or image file that you're going to use to parse data. In the Add Object button, select the Add field from Rectangle selection. Use the rectangle to select the data that you need. In this airline ticket, we will get the data of booking ID, booking date, departure from, departure at, arrival at, flight type, flight duration, cabin type, passenger name, passenger type, and airline PNR. After you're done selecting the data, you may now run the template. Here's the result of the parse data. Once you're done creating your template, you may now save it. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.